Hello everyone, it's Bea back with another video to do with isopods. Open them. I literally can't do this. Okay, they're open. Now, I have two actual packages, so I don't know which ones are which. Magic potions. My magic potions! There's another box in there because I ordered 2 lots of magic. Oh wow. Oh wow, they're beautiful. Wait, let me just show you. They're like white with black dots and yellow splotches. They're so cute. So now I have to house these guys, and I have my trusty containers that I always use with holes drilled into the top. So yeah, let's get this enclosure set up. I'm just gonna take this sticker off. That was easy. So this is their substrate. It's a mix of Eco Earth and Earth Mix. Okay, so you have changed position. You're currently on my wheelchair, and I'm here with the bag. I'm gonna have to do this handful by handful, which is very annoying. Okay, for the last handful, thought I'd just video that. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to hoover after this. So now I'm spraying the substrate, but I'm focusing predominantly on one side, and this will be the moist side of the enclosure. The next thing I'm going to do is put some sphagnum moss, not that much, but just like a bit, on the wet side, so it will keep the humidity up. Now I am consulting the magic box of cork bark, and I just want to find 2 pieces really. These are my 2 pieces that I have chosen. Okay, so this is the dry side, and this is the damp side with the moss. Now I'm going to add leaf litter. So here we go. Just sprinkling some good old leaf litter around the enclosure. I am also going to add some tropical fish flakes. I'm just going to take the sellotape. I'm going to take the sellotape off these. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking them out of here and counting how many I have. Okay, that took me forever, but I have 23 magic potion isopods. Technically 24, but one is here they are going into their new home. Still one there. All done. And away they scurry. So the care for these guys is pretty much just misting them once a day, more on the wet, damp, humid side, whatever you want to call it, and just a little bit on the dry side. I feed mine tropical fish flakes, isopod pellets, cuttlefish bone for calcium, crushed eggshells. I've heard some people use it. I don't eat egg, but I might go and get some just so I can crush up the eggshells. So yeah, that's all from me, but thanks for watching if you've made it this far, and I'm about to make a video with the second lot of isopods that have arrived.